welcome back to 3D Printed Soup, the show that's name makes less and less sense the more you think about it. Can you 3D print soup? We shall try, but not now. Today we're going to talk about board gaming and wargaming. Best thing about tabletop wargaming is creating incredible structures and cities. You can get brilliant stuff that you can buy from companies. We've got live stuff here from Games Workshop, here from other places as well online, and these are great, but they're bloody expensive. I mean, yeah, you could go out and get some of the wooden stuff, which is sort of, burnt and cut to the right size, but that's quite expensive, and also it looks like bits of wood threaded together. 3D printing comes into its own in this kind of thing, and you can create tons and absolutely tons of incredible 3D printed scenery for your future games, your fantasy games, your modern day games. Anything you can think of, you can print. So I'm going to try and print myself some generic New York style or Chicago style brownstone buildings, just to go along with my new Shadowrun games I'm playing. So let's give those a print and see what they turn out like. Links are in the description below, and let's see what we can actually do when it comes to printing your own terrain and your own street scenes.
Gas mask.
So, that went really well. Very proud of these. You can knock together one of these in under 3 hours, which is basically printing the floor sections, bottom sections and the window sections. The actual details in this are amazing. You get all the brickwork, all the architraves, you get all the window frames around it. This is really good. So say, the link is in the description below. You can find it on Thingiverse. There's also tons of others which I'm going to be painting in the future. But yeah, that's turned out really well, and I'm really looking forward to seeing this in some of my up and coming 40k and Shadowrun games. So thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the little notification button just so you know when I've uploaded my next video. I try and do one a week. If you want any more videos, or let me know what you want me to 3D print, or any ideas you've got, please put them in the comments below. If you hate my videos, give me a thumbs down, and if you like them, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.
Perfect.